You are seeing as on today, our Home Minister is very, very determined. He wanted to protect every citizen in the country, nook and corner. It may be any law and order problem, he wanted to address very effectively. It may be terrorist problem, or Naxalite problem, or some other issue. Every issue is working very effectively. Sometimes I am jealous. He is working very hard, just like machine. Earlier I have seen so many politicians always cutting ribbons and giving speeches, not going details. I am seeing a person who is going to details with minute details. Just now, NDRF has given a presentation. And also all equipments what they are using, they have given presentation. Home Minister is watching very closely. I am thinking he is having so many ideas in his mind. In the near review, he is going to implement all those ideas for the disaster management. That is how shrewd he is. If you see today, any politician has to take risk. Always, Home Ministers are vulnerable to protect the people. That is where our Home Minister is unique in controlling law and order. And also he is focusing very strategic areas. Whenever I discuss with him, he is always thinking very innovative ideas. Just now he is guiding me. Andhra Pradesh is totally destroyed. Don't think routine, go innovative way. That is his suggestion. I really appreciate him. Innovative way we have to approach, then only we can solve the problems which are all very, very serious in nature. And also he is giving 2047, everybody is talking. Honorable Prime Minister has given a vision, 2047, Vikasit Bharat. Now our Home Minister is talking now, India should become global leaders. If you wanted to become global leaders, future technologies we have to focus, future development areas we have to focus. It is green energy, green hydrogen, and space technology. Even space technology, yesterday they allowed nearly 10 to 11% private individuals to go space technology, launching all these things. Even he is talking about deep technology and also data science. These are all the various areas he is talking. I am very happy to listen from him. Under his leadership and also under Honorable Prime Minister's leadership, India is safe. By 2047, India will become number 1 or 2. Nobody can stop. It is unstoppable. It is going to happen. Sir, regarding our state, you are always positive. But 2014 bifurcation, 2019 change of government, 2019-24 lot of destruction, which is, as a matter of fact, as you rightly mentioned, irreparable. But under your support, we are confident we'll come over the crisis and also will make Andhra Pradesh at for other states, sir. We are confident. Sir, if you see, even during elections, first time from central government side, sir, I remember in Dharmavaram, first attack is only from your sir. On that elections, we are all talking, myself, Pawan Kalyan, and also Purandeshwari Garu, all of us are talking. But at one meeting, very sharp attack, what Honorable Home Minister has done at that time, it made all the difference for winning the elections. It is not an ordinary issue. 93% strike rate. It is unusual. That is the confidence Government of India, all of us has created. Sir, 10 lakh crores debt. We have to pay interest, and also we have to do development, and also we have promised so many things we have to fulfill, sir. Slowly we are doing all these things. State, as on election, sir, was an ventilator. Now you gave very good, as a doctor you gave oxygen. Now we are out of ventilator, sir. We are still patients, but out of ventilator. But recent decision, sir, you have given some of the very good, this thing. One is Amaravati. 15,000 crores support. Today works are going on. This will become people's capital. Second one, sir, Polavaram. I have to inform you, yesterday diaphragm wall totally defunct at that time. Now parallel diaphragm wall, yesterday they have started. Within 2 years, sir, April 2027, we are going to complete Polavaram under your leadership, under your direction, under central government direction. Sir, Visakhapatnam steel plant, very sentimental issue. Vizag steel, Andhra's right. That is where that slogan, Visakha Ukku, Andhrula Hakkani Andolana Chesi Prana Tyagalu Chesaru. అలాంటి విశాఖ ఉక్కును కూడా పూర్తిగా నిర్వీర్యం చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ప్రాణం పోసింది కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం. 11,440 కోట్ల రూపాయలు ఆర్థిక సహాయం చేసి మళ్ళీ దీనికి ప్రాణం పోసే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. లాంగ్ పెండింగ్ ఇష్యూ విశాఖపట్నం రైల్వే జోన్. Honorable Prime Minister has laid the foundation recently. BPCL and also that factory is coming, and always center is helping us in a big way. But some more hand holding is required from center, sir. Sir, I am requesting so many times you. I don't want to request again, sir. I don't want to pressurize you. You are always in favor of us. Give some hand holding till we revive, and we will contribute for the nation building. That is our commitment. Our people are very, very shrewd, sir. Very, very enterprising type. If we give some hand holding, they will do wonders for the nation. Sir, only one thing I want to request you, apart from financial, all these things you have seen now, Godavari, Krishna, we are able to link it, two rivers. We wanted to link Godavari to Penna, Polavaram to Banakacharla. If we won't do now, we may not do forever. Cost of excavation, and it is impossible in future to complete. So my request to Honorable Prime Minister, find a way. We are also working. Even different models we are working, public-private partnership also. Then private partners will, one or two private partners will help, and government will invest. Finally, we will repay that money, wealth will be created. So that is one project I am requesting Honorable Home Minister to help us. This is a wonderful day. I have seen the campus. Even what we are talking, and also Honorable Prime Minister is talking, Surya Ghar. Rooftop, you have to generate power. Today, all rooftop people are generating power. Even here, car shed. On the top, Surya Ghar, solar panels. Under that, there is a car parking. No need to go anywhere. Charging also will be done here only. It is the one-way, zero waste management this campus is doing. It will be a model for all of us. Everything. Either water harnessing, or waste to compost, or very interesting plants, Nakshatravanam. Everything they are doing extremely well. I really appreciate them. This is the model country has to follow. Every panchayat has to follow. Every office has to follow. With this, I am thanking all of you. And also, sir, you have to come once in a way to Andhra Pradesh to inspire all of us and guide us. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you, one and all.